Hi Kai Monty aka nigga ho.
Shut the fuck up, cat roach.
Nigga I am just a cat nigga ho.
Oh hell no. Where is my wood glue?
Nigga shut up before I rock you.
You trying to cut Raby catted ass nigga?
Yes I am, don't make me knock your track out.
What the fuck, I would whoop yo ass.
Touch me and I would bite you and give you rabies.
Bitch, you would not touch me.
Oh yes I will watch your track be on the floor.
No. Wait, I'm not even scared of your ass.
Shut your big mouth up before I do it, and you should be scared, bitch.
You know what, forget this, you getting knocked the fuck out.
Bitch, you know damn well you ain't going to touch me because I got them rabies.
I don't give a fuck if you got the rabies.
Okay bitch, watch me bite yo ass.
Bite me and I will scratch yo ass.
Okay, scratch me, you just going to get knocked out, bitch.
By who?
By me, trig ass bitch, tricky dick sucker.
Ha ha ha, you funny Raby catted ass. Kitty catted ass. Donkey ass horse bitch.
Suck my dick in like IT and choke on IT and keep choking on my big cock.
You ain't got one, so how am I going to do that?
I always go, and when I get a bitch, here it comes. It's growing.